In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make printable wall art using Canva vertical bar listing art on Etsy. We'll go from setting up your design to preparing files buyers love, and finally listing everything correctly, so customers get instant downloads. Start in Canva by clicking Create a Design and choosing Custom Size. A smart approach is to design at the largest size within a specific ratio, like 24 by 36 inches for a 2:3 ratio. This lets customers easily scale down to popular frames such as 4x6, 8x12, or 20x30 without warping the art. While you design, go to File and turn on Show Margins. Keep text and key elements inside those margins to avoid anything looking cramped or being cut off at the edge. Choose fonts and elements that match your theme and maintain a consistent style. If your design has a background, extend it slightly beyond the edges for a clean, full bleed look when printed. Aim for at least 300 dpi for sharp professional results. As a quick sanity check, 24 by 36 inches at 300 dpi equals 200 by 10, 800 pixels. So you know you are working large enough. When you are ready to export, select PDF print for the best print quality. If you use Canva Pro, choose CMYT to align with professional printing standards. If not, PDF print still delivers excellent results. Avoid adding crop marks unless you specifically need them. Next, prepare your files for Etsy. Buyers appreciate receiving multiple aspect ratios, such as 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and ISO sizes like a 4. So they can print at various frame sizes without confusion. Etsy allows up to 5 files per listing with a 20 megabyte limit, per degree Fahrenheit. If your high-resolution PDFs exceed that, upload them to a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox and create a simple instruction sheet as a PDF that includes your shareable download link and brief steps. Make sure the link is viewable to anyone with the link, so customers can access it instantly. Create compelling mockups to help shoppers visualize your art. Tools like Placate or Canva can place your design into realistic room scenes with frames. Show the artwork clearly and avoid implying a physical frame is included. Keep it obvious that it's a digital download. When you list on Etsy, select digital as the item type, so buyers receive files automatically after purchase. Optimize your title and all 13 tags with relevant keywords like printable wall art, nursery decor, and minimalist digital download to improve search visibility. Add a size guide image in your listing photos that maps each ratio to the frame sizes it fits. Finally, upload your high-resolution files or your instruction PDF with the cloud link in the digital files section. Thanks for watching.